Good morning and welcome to this session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man who ever lived. Today is day 1. We'll read from chapter 1, verse 23. Pay attention to my correction. I will pour out my thoughts to you. I will make my words known to you. Now, this passage is said by wisdom to us. Now, wise man is saying wisdom can talk to us. In fact, wisdom is saying, pay attention to my correction. That means one of the ways wisdom intercepts us is by correcting us. Now, who will correct? Wisdom will not come and correct. Somebody who is around us will correct us. Somebody will tell you, hey, you're wrong. Somebody will tell you, hey, you have to change. Somebody will tell, I am not happy with what you have done or said or thought. That is called they're correcting you. It is not they are correcting you or somebody who is against you is correcting you. In fact, wisdom is correcting you. Many times we forget the fact that wisdom is behind everyone to bring correction in you. The moment somebody corrects you, somebody flares up and thinks that they are against us or they are critical of us or they do not want our welfare. In fact, we should change our thoughts and understand they want your welfare. That is why they are correcting you. My young friends, it is very important that we need to be corrected. Without correction, nobody reaches any place. In fact, in one of the earlier sessions, I have told you how an airplane reaches its destination. It is a constant work of correction. They correct several parameters, the altitude, the height, the speed, the pressure, the temperature. There are so many corrections. They continuously, the computer monitors so that it reaches its destination. My friends, correction is actually a blessing in disguise. If somebody corrects you, he is not your enemy. In fact, he is your friend. If somebody says you're wrong, he is not your critic. In fact, he is your best friend. My friends, it says wisdom says pay attention to my correction. And it also says I will make my words known to you. In fact, many of these corrections hit us as words. As words. In fact, many of us, we don't listen to those words. We just switch off from those words. Never ever do this mistake. You may miss wisdom. Sometimes people, they miss these corrections and they want to be wise. In fact, if you read little further, in verse 24, I have called, but you have refused to listen. Wisdom is actually gearing up this allegation against you. Hey, I have called, but you have refused. I have reached out with my hand, but you didn't pay attention. Okay? Then it goes on to say, that is why I will laugh at your distress and mock when terror comes to you. What a tragedy, my friends. Today, many people are attacked by terror. They are attacked by so many things. Now at that time they wail, hey God, where are you? Why things are not working? My friends, let me tell you, correction is the way wisdom reaches on to you so that you can change and become okay. My friend, let not be sad about correction. Let's be happy about correction. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.